Impero Backdrop gives you the ability to record, update, and view concerns. A concern is a record of events or behaviors relating to one or more students that requires further monitoring. Examples of concerns might be injuries sustained on school premises, observations of bruising, or poor attendance. To create a concern about a student, you need to open their student profile and click on the Add a Concern button. If required, siblings and other students can be added to the concern using the tools provided in the right-hand pane. The first field enables you to record the date and time. This is pre-populated with the current date and time. Concerns are associated with predefined types, and these can be used for reporting purposes. When you've selected a type, one or more subtypes can then be applied. The Raised By field assumes that the person completing the form has raised this concern, but you are able to click on the drop-down to identify other people. In the Status field, you can either select In Progress, which is the default setting, or Resolved. Details of the concern should then be recorded. To preserve the authenticity of this record, this text cannot be amended once the record is saved. If required, additional evidence can be attached by clicking on Add Files. The Location field is optional and can be used to identify where an incident occurred. Administered and Outcome fields are available when recording a first aid concern. By selecting Yes on the Have You Spoken To fields, you're able to record details of any conversations you've had with the student and their parents or carers. If multiple students have been identified, individual Have You Spoken To fields will be displayed for each student's voice. The body map can be used if injuries have been observed on the student. Individuals, or groups of users, can be alerted to the concern via the Alert Users field. This alert will be displayed on the action plan and on the Notifications drop-down. Emails can also be sent to these users by checking the Send Emails checkbox. Staff who already receive notifications of concerns do not need to be identified in the Alert Users field. This tool should be used to make staff aware that a concern has been recorded when they would not otherwise be notified of concerns, and may not usually be able to view them. A summary count of recorded concerns can be seen on the student's record, just below the Family section. Clicking on the View Chronology button will display the first line of each recorded concern. Clicking on the Concerns link will give you a fuller picture. You can also update the recorded concern from this screen. If you click on the More Details link, you can add additional comments. Mark the concern as resolved. Attach further files. And inform selected users that the record has been updated. Subject to the user's permissions, further actions are available in the right-hand pane. These include assigning the concern to a named user, creating reminders, and marking a concern as a duplicate.